Demonetization has already affected industries including construction and automobiles, where daily wage laborers are the worst affected.
25-year-old Ram Naresh came to Mumbai 10 years ago and has been a construction worker ever since. But the last 1 month has been a trying one for Ram and his family. Since demonetization, this daily wage laborer's income has dropped to a third of what he was earning before.
हम लोग महीने में 5,000 6,000 महीना खा जाता है। अभी जब से पैसा बंद हुआ कितना 2,025 रुपये में हो जा रहा है। खाने को नहीं मिल रहा तो क्या खाएगा अभी, पैसा नहीं मिलेगा तो।
Most of the labourers working at these construction sites are daily wage labourers, with no address listed under their names, and since they don't hold any bank account, the only mode of payment they can accept is through cash, rendering them helpless. Their employers are also facing retention issues. With daily withdrawal limits falling short, paying wages has become nearly impossible.
दिन भर लाइन लगाते थे, लाइन लगाने के बाद बोलते थे बैंक पैसा नहीं है, पैसा मिल नहीं पाता था, तो हमारा काम बंद हो गया, मतलब ठंडा हो गया काम हमारा। हम लेबर को पेमेंट नहीं दे पा रहे हैं ना, खर्ची नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, पगार नहीं दे पा रहे हैं। खर्ची पगार नहीं देंगे तो बोलते फिर मैं दूसरे के यहाँ चले जाऊँगा, तुम्हारे यहाँ काम नहीं करूँगा।
But the problem doesn't end there. Since the note ban, the real estate sector has seen a substantial dip in the number of sales, with queries about projects and walk-ins dropping by 50%. Buying decisions have also been put on hold in these times of uncertainty.
नोटबंदी के बाद और भी मतलब जो इंक्वायरी थी वो भी कम हो गई है या रुक गई है, क्योंकि वो ऐसे भी हम लोग भी समझते हैं कि जब नोटबंदी के बाद हर आदमी अपना घर चलाने में और दूसरे प्रॉब्लम्स पैसे पाने में उसके दिक्कतों से जूझ रहा है.
But experts believe after the initial setback, the real estate sector will bounce back with greater transparency and bigger investments.
Immediate trend to short term, say 3 to 6 months, we will see slowdown in sales and some price pressure in some pockets, in some segments. But after that, what we strongly believe that with demonetization, with RERA in place, this real estate residential segment mainly will evolve in a different manner. It will be much more transparent.
While developers and construction firms can survive on optimism in the near future, it's the workforce of labourers who live from one day's wage to the next who have been the worst affected. With camera person Sudesh Tavde in Mumbai, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.